Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to fix the Instagram app not loading on your Android device. If the Instagram app refuses to open on your Android phone or tablet, there are a few things you can try to resolve the issue. We will walk you through simple steps to ensure you can quickly fix any problems preventing the app from launching properly. First, clear the Instagram app cache and data. This removes temporary files and information that could be causing the app to malfunction. To clear the Instagram cache and data, open your Android settings and tap Apps and Notifications. Find Instagram and tap to open it. Select Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Storage. Restart your device and try opening Instagram again. If that does not work, you may need to update the Instagram app to the latest version. Make sure you have the most recent update installed on your Android. To update Instagram, open the Google Play Store on your Android and search for Instagram. Tap Update next to the app to install any available updates. Once the update finishes, restart your phone or tablet and attempt launching Instagram again. Check your internet connection if updating does not resolve the issue. Instagram requires a stable network connection to function properly. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data and try opening the app again. As a last resort, restart your Android device. Restarting can fix any temporary glitches preventing the app from launching. To restart your Android, press and hold the power button until you see options to restart or reboot the device. Select Restart or Reboot and tap to begin restarting. Try opening Instagram once your device has fully restarted. In summary, if Instagram refuses to launch on your Android, try clearing its cache and data, updating the app, checking your connection, or restarting the device. These methods should resolve any problems preventing the app from opening properly. Please let us know if you have any other questions or require further assistance. Like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching. We hope this information was useful in helping you fix any issues with the Instagram app on your Android. Provide feedback or comments below regarding any other topics you would like us to cover in future videos.